Welcome to my channel, guys. It's your average Canadian here, and what you see here are the dining room chairs of my grandparents' dining room table, and these things have been here for probably 27 years, and probably by the looks of it have never been cleaned once. So I looked at these and I figured this would be a good way to show you guys the power of the Bissel Little Proheat, or whatever they call it, carpet cleaning machine. And I have no idea how they're going to turn out. I just figured, since these are as dirty as they are, we'll do a cleaning of them. And what I'm going to end up doing is I'll tape up the upper half of the chair, and I'll clean the bottom half, which is definitely the dirtier half. And the procedure we'll be doing is, after I tape it up, I'll spray it with some Meguiar's all-purpose cleaner, some of that stuff there, which has been my go-to choice for all-purpose cleaner, especially for detailing carpets and chairs and pretty much everything for cars and whatnot. So we're going to spray it down with that, let it sit and soak for a minute or two. Then I'll agitate it with a stiff bristle brush lightly. And then after that, we'll go ahead and we'll extract it with the machine, and we'll see what kind of results we get. So I'll probably do a few passes, and then after that, we'll take the tape off and show you guys the 50-50 shot. Okay, so I'm going to put this on the tripod now, and we'll get to it. Okay, so we just finished cleaning the bottom half of this chair. Now I'm going to remove the tape, and we'll take a look at a 50-50 shot, and we'll see what kind of results we got. It's not too bad, actually, overall. Some pretty decent results there. As you can see from the overhead, you can clearly tell the bottom half versus the top half. And even where close to the tape where it's harder to get with the machine, you still see a substantial difference. And the bottom half of the cushion is obviously wet right now, so once that dries up, it'll look a lot better. But so far, so good. I'm pretty impressed with this little carpet extractor here that I got off of Amazon a little while ago. And so far it's already paid for itself. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to clean the rest of this chair, and then we'll take a look at the dirty water that came out of it. But that's it for me, guys. I'll cut the video here. I'll show you what the dirty water looks like. Alright, so I just finished cleaning up the rest of the chair, including the back. And now we're going to dump out the dirty water that came out of one chair. And we'll see what it looks like. Jeez. Well, it's quite a bit of dirt from one chair. Alright folks, just finished letting this chair dry up, and these are the final results. So as you can see, there's a massive difference. Right about here there was I don't even know what it was, but there's a huge stain, and that's completely gone now. So overall, I'm extremely impressed with the Bissel Little Green machine. I was impressed with it when I did my straight out of the box test, but now it's even more so. So basically, quick rundown of what we did. We taped off one side, sprayed it with some Meguiar's all-purpose cleaner, agitated it with a brush, and then extracted everything with a Bissel. And like you guys saw there, the stuff that came out of it was just absolutely disgusting. And because of the material that this chair has, I couldn't even agitate it too much because I was pulling too much fiber off of it. So it was light agitation, and we still got incredible results like this. So now I got my work cut out for me. I got 5 more chairs to get done here, but I'll do that off of video because I don't want to bore you guys with the same thing over and over again. But basically, this little guy here, such a wicked machine for the price I paid. And I got it off of Amazon, and since today is Boxing Day, this thing is going to probably go on sale, and I'll link it in the description below. And this right here is just the carpet that goes into our house, and everyone wipes their feet here, and I did a quick little pass using the exact same method on this carpet, and obviously, as you can see, the results are pretty incredible. So with that, guys, I'm your average Canadian. That was my test of the Bissel Little Green machine. And if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.
Perfect.